Since the removal of the horseshoes, we've done some decoration works. We've started the mechanical and electrical first and second fixes that are going on now. We're in the process of finishing the decoration. We've actually started to rehang some of the horseshoes, so the building is looking quite good inside. Externally, we're re-roofing the Collie Weston slate roofs. We're part way through building the extension of the toilet block and the boiler house on the west elevation.
I've been in the roofing, Collie Weston slating tradition for 30 years now, and today we're at Oakham Castle and we're helping with the refurb of the Collie Weston slate roof. Collie Weston slate is notorious around this area. It's mined approximately 30 feet down in the shaft. Obviously every slate's a different shape and a different size and a different weight, and they're not all uniform, whereas tiles and modern day roofing materials are. It should last 2-3 times as long as a tiled roof. I mean, some roofs we strip off date back 100 years plus. So once you've bought a Collie Weston roof, although they might be a little bit dear in price, they're going to stand the test of time.
The community here at Oakham is heavily involved in the project. We do tours on a regular basis organised by Rutland County Council. So we make tours of the site with the visitors and the volunteers and the friends of Oakham Castle to keep interest or build interest as the project's going along, to make sure that when we're finished we get a big influx of visitors to the site.
At Oakham Castle we've got 230 horseshoes on the wall, and what we're doing is taking them all off the wall and giving them a condition check. We're then going to be doing cleaning of the horseshoes and a final photograph so that we can use them on our catalogue and also make them accessible on any interpretation at the castle. Work starts actually looking closely at the horseshoe and seeing the condition that it's in at the moment. They're writing a condition check of the horseshoes and then working out exactly what work needs to be done on each one. Each one is slightly different, they're in different states of repair. But generally we're cleaning them. After they're dry cleaned, some of them are going to be wet cleaned, possibly with white spirits, occasionally with acetone, depending on what the horseshoes are actually made of. We are then coating the horseshoe with crystalline wax, which will then protect the horseshoes for many years to come.
It's essential that the community is involved with this project because the castle plays, and has always played, such an important part in the community for the last 800 years or more. It's really important that that love for the place carries on, and that's how we're going to ensure that the castle has a legacy, and that is through ongoing understanding and connection with the local community. Going forward, once the castle is open, which will be in the spring, there will be a whole range of activities and opportunities for people from all sectors of the community to get involved, young, old, local and from further afield. So we've got events looking at the Normans, so we'll have reenactors coming in, they'll be doing cooking demonstrations, they'll be having maybe a Norman war horse, all sorts of exciting things to bring alive our earliest history. It's been absolutely brilliant working with Woodheads. It's been fantastic to have a contractor who really understands why the site is so important to the community and why we want to allow people onto the site, and that they're happy to do that.